Hi, I am Emily Chandler. I'm president and founder of Spectrum Product Solutions, and I'm here partnering with Wonder. So at Spectrum, we are a full-service product development company, and what we do is we guide clients through the whole process of product development, from taking an idea to finding a formulator to finding the right vendor, working on packaging, design, manufacturing, and then we also help with all the logistics and fulfillment. So what I do is pretty much quarterback all these projects and make sure that everybody is getting paid, that orders are in, lining up the just-in-time delivery to make sure that you're receiving your components on time, and just helping my clients have a good time and enjoy the process. My favorite aspect of my job is I love projects. I love spinning 100 plates at the same time. I love having a start and a finish to something, and the whole creative process of building something with a team. So that's what really joys me in what I do. Well, I have over 10 years of experience working in product development, and I have a very unique family background. Both my parents are entrepreneurs, so I grew up with this kind of gritty attitude, there's always a way to overcome any obstacle. What's the way? Let's work together, let's figure it out. And just building something on your own, learning how to do new stuff all the time. The history of Spectrum Product Solutions is a long one. Again, I have over 10 years of experience managing products and doing product development. I had a little detour owning and operating a sports facility, and through that process I learned how to manage people. I learned the value of having a consumable product in a service-based business, and so I took all of my knowledge from product development and everything I learned from the sports facility and created Spectrum Product Solutions. My attitude in life is to always kind of maintain a sense of curiosity, of asking why, being curious about solutions, about figuring out creative ways to do things that are not the first option that you would choose, thinking outside the box, those kinds of things. I can help businesses that have an active client base and a captive marketing audience. Businesses that are usually service-based, like gyms or sports facilities, places that already have a lot of people that visit them every day, but they don't sell them a consumable product. I think the most amazing service that Spectrum Product Solutions offers is just the experience of working with really amazingly fantastic people. I value people and relationships the most in my life. I think everything should be fun. I always ask myself, what would this look like if it was fun? What would this look like if it was amazing? So I think that's the real X factor, the thing that we bring to the table that makes it different than working with anybody else. I love Las Vegas. I grew up here. I, as a kid, didn't like it. I always asked my parents, why in the world do we live here? It's hot, it's dry, there's nothing to do. And they told me, we live here because it's easy to incorporate a business in Nevada. There's no state tax, the business laws are really easy to understand. And now as an entrepreneur, I'm feeling that. And it's just a great community. There's such a diversity of people, businesses, everybody does a little bit of everything here, and I think that's great. What do I want my clients to experience? Mostly, I want people to have fun, to see their value in themselves and their business, what's possible for them. Ultimately, my biggest goal is to help people make money and to be successful. It sounds so corny, but I want people to have fun. Life should be fun. This is a big playground. Let's have fun. Businesses just don't see how much money they're missing out on by not having a consumable product. Yes, I think it looks impossible. It looks too hard, too many obstacles, too costly. I think there's a lot of barriers to doing it, and there's really not. If you partner with a trusted product development firm like Spectrum, you're going to enjoy the process. You're going to rely on or have the benefit of years of relationships with vendors, and yeah, it's a great experience. Spectrum is different because we really value people. We value the experience of relationships, And we have 10 plus years of vendor relationships. Some of my vendors are my close friends, people that I love working with. So that really sets us apart, is we're a people business. Culture for me equals family. Because I grew up in an entrepreneurial household and both my parents are entrepreneurs, they've always included myself and my siblings in the business. So to me, culture is all about family. It's all about trust. It's all about love. It's so corny, but that's where my heart's at. I see some really exciting partnerships up ahead. I am shooting for some really big brands, some really big franchises that I want to be in with big client bases, and just moving a lot of really awesome, high quality products to people and helping them look better, feel better, and enjoy their lives. SpectrumProductSolutions.com. You can find us on the socials as well, Spectrum Product Solutions on Instagram. And yeah, just reach out to me directly. I love talking to people. I love meeting new people and learning about people's dreams, ambitions, desires, and goals, and what they want to create.